dissolves into the night. Still they move in quiet grace, never rushing time or space. Ancient calm beneath their skin, balanced lives from deep within. In a world that moves too fast, they remind us how to last. Rest, rest, breathe it in. Peace begins where rushes end. Strong in silence, firm and free, shaped by history. Rest, rest, slow your pace. Follow Earth's unbroken trace. In the wild where time remains, peace lives on the ancient plains.